up, YouTube? This your boy Richie Rich Mo, and tonight we're just gonna do some little drives. Damn, this shit's quick. Sheesh. You hear the turbo spooling? It's insane. This car is a GOAT, and I just gotta let you guys know something. I just found out recently that this car was super modified. I'm gonna have the part list in the description so you guys can see what's been done to this car. This car has been secretly tuned, and I didn't know. It's got tuned by, shout out to Gary at Baines Tuning out here in the Bay Area. He tuned this car with the previous owner, and the first owner of this vehicle that bought this car when they first came for sale, he reached out to me, found me on either Instagram or on this YouTube channel. One of his friends recognized the car, and he reached out to me and let me know that he used to own this car, and he gave me all the part list that he's done to this car, and he actually track raced this too as well. So this car is a GOAT, man. And I always said this thing was faster than 300 horsepower. You guys heard me say that many times in my previous videos, explaining that this car is definitely faster than 300, and now I know why. It's been tuned, and it has a lot of modifications that's been done to this car, and I'm excited because it kind of helped me out where I didn't have to do certain things, and I can just get some extra parts and just get this car to perform. But right now we're about to drive this little back road to get the real handling with this car. So hope you guys enjoy this video. The camera's on my head, so I don't know how it's gonna be looking like, but let's do this. Oh my gosh, the handling is amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Jeez, the turbo spools so good in this car. Jeez. Is extremely fast, extremely fast. I'm guessing this car maybe 350, 360 to the wheel. I gotta double check. I'm gonna get it retuned with Baines, but I'm gonna get a new exhaust system and some in the front pipe to make this car much more perfect. When my sponsor Nvidia, they're gonna hook me up with an exhaust system, so grateful for that. But this car drives so good, handles so well with the turns. Woo! Oh my gosh, it handles. Jeez, this car handles so good. The spools just, it's just like crazy. It drives real good. I'm so grateful that I did buy this car. I have no regrets, and if I could do the same thing over again, I'd do it. This car is definitely worth every dollar. I highly recommend, if anybody was in the market to buy a GR Corolla, I'm telling you right now, this is one of the greatest cars ever manufactured. And I'm not just saying that. That's the reason why I bought this car. I had other options of other vehicles, but the GR was calling me, and I love the Corolla. It's basically it's a GR Yaris on steroids. But my car, oh man, with the extra modifications, the tune, this car is definitely quick. But like I said, we're gonna get it retuned sometime in July once I get my new exhaust system on here. Get a new exhaust, and we're gonna get, like I said, we're gonna get a new front pipe, and then we'll get it retuned. And I'm thinking about adding a I'm thinking about doing flex fuel, where I have the option to go E85 and regular pump. So, and then eventually I'm gonna end up like have to get like some injectors and stuff, like upgraded injectors and stuff like that, but that'll be later down the line. But right now the next thing I'm going to be doing is getting the new exhaust system, just to see how it rides and sounds. I'm excited that we have a lot of sponsorships now. We have Nvidia, we have Mishimoto, we have Downforce Solutions, and we have Eibach Carbon. I definitely appreciate every one of them and every one of you guys that support me with this build. It's going to be amazing, and I cannot wait to get this on the track. And most likely going to start doing track racing sometime in July for sure. Definitely going to be getting some track content, and you know, just going to have fun with it. Just going to have fun with this, and I'm going to document everything of me racing this car, from the good to the bad. We're going to do everything. And also I got offered some wheels for this car from the previous owner as well. The brakes are loud as hell because they are ceramic. Basically the brake pads that's on this car is meant for track racing, and I hate the loud squeaks because it makes the car sound raggedy, but it's definitely not raggedy. And these are brand new brake pads, but they ceramic. So basically it helps keeping the wheels cleaner, but damn, it makes loud noise when I'm making a complete stop. It's annoying, but it's for track purpose. But I'm eventually swap them out. I'm gonna have to buy new rotors as well, but the rotors that's on here is expensive as hell. Oh man, the turns, oh my god. And see, I can floor this thing. I'm gonna be cool as a cop on the other side, but you can really floor this and not have to let off the gas. Like, it drives amazing. This is a hell of a good car. I'm in love with this car. It drives so good, y'all. Sheesh. But stay tuned for what we're going to do June 13th, the official day. We are going to get this car modified with a 101 aero kit. Shout out to Downforce Solution, my guy Tony. He does every single car I ever had. He always did some crazy aero kits. And if you guys like the GR86 I had, my 10th anniversary, you're gonna love what I'm about to do with this car. I got a lot of tricks up my sleeve, and it's going down. Like I'm telling you, starting within the after next week, it's going to be crazy. So you guys gotta stay tuned for this. But like I said, the camera is on my head. I have like my GoPro on the head, so I don't know how the camera is looking, but I said, let me just get a little content for you guys. This car drives good.